In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import and export data in Odoo. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Odoo is a powerful business management software that can help you streamline your operations. One of its great features is the ability to easily import and export data, which is essential for managing inventory and keeping your products up to date. So let's get started. First, you need to log into your Odoo dashboard. Once you're on the home page, navigate to the Point of Sale module. You can do this by clicking on the appropriate link with your mouse or using your keyboard to search for it. Take your time here. Make sure you're in the right module to access the products you want to work with. Now, click on the Products option. This will open up a list of all the products currently in your inventory. You'll see a variety of product details here, and now we're going to select the ones we wish to export. To do this, either tick the checkbox next to each product or use the Select All feature if you need to export everything. After selecting the products, look for the Settings button at the top of the page. Clicking on this will reveal a drop-down menu, and from there, you can select the Export option. This is where the real fun begins. Once you click on Export, you'll need to modify the format in which you want your data to be exported. Odoo allows you to choose different formats, such as CSV or Excel, depending on your needs. Make sure to pick the right one, as this will determine how easy it is to read and manipulate your data later on. After configuring the export settings to your liking, go ahead and click on the Export button again. This will download the selected product data in the chosen format to your computer. Now, let's move on to importing data, because with Odoo, you can easily re-upload your data if needed. In the Point of Sale section, again, you'll see a Settings button next to the products. Click on that, and this time, select Import. You'll be prompted to upload the data file. Choose the file you just exported, or any new file you wish to import from your computer. After you've chosen the correct file, the next step is crucial. Click on the Test button. This action will validate the data in your file to ensure that everything is correct and that you won't run into any issues when uploading. If everything checks out and it says your data is valid, congratulations, you're ready to import it back into Odoo. Simply confirm that everything is correct and click on the Import button. And there you have it. You've successfully imported and exported product data within Odoo. This functionality should help you keep your product offerings up to date, making your inventory management a breeze. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tips on getting the most out of Odoo. Happy managing!